He's going to say, you guys move it. Now she's going to go down.
Oh, good. Here we go.
Oh, my turn.
She wants to go all the way over, I think.
I don't think, yep, she did.
There she goes.
See,
She's lazy. She doesn't
get up and lay down. She just rolls over. Ooh, careful. Here we go. No kicking, guys. No kicking. Okay?
Whoa, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Gosh, she's sliding on that snow. That horse is just, it actually waiting to happen. She's just,
Oh, she got her.
don't do that.
Oh, Allie's going to tell her.
They're in trouble.
Yeah, at least her feet are wet and they're wet, so
Yeah,
it may
so she
slip
can't
off
get
them
a
little
good
more.
footing.
I heard it connect though.
Why do they figure they gotta kick each other while
Well,
running?
she got into her space.
Look at that. Dangerous thing. That horse is a daredevil. Look at that bounce. She got that little, what the heck kind of run is that? But she looks like a deer when she goes into that bop and hop. Not really a hop, it's a glide. Oh, man. Settle down, Lauren. Ho. Settle down. Ho. Settle down.
You having fun, Bubby? Got fun?
Easy. Easy. Oh gosh, I'm trouble with
She's not trouble.
it. Boy, she's got quite a cramp, doesn't she? All right.
Oh, she's mad. She's slipping.
Flip, so she got mad.
Yeah, she got mad. Smart move, Mia.
Yeah.
Stay away from her behind. Allie's
I don't know
hurting.
why they. What?
Oh,
So I heard it, she hits her in the head.
Oh, Allie's gonna get her.
Allie's so mad. Look at her. I'm going to move your feet and kick at me.
Oh, they're so
Look
pretty when they run
when
though.
she reaches out like that.
Little one's back is so level and smooth when she runs. You don't even see her back.
So well.
All right, who put the dang logs in?
Never using it for.
I don't know. That's an accident.
It's all right. They can learn to jump over it.
I don't think I've ever seen them have this much fun.
They're really enjoying this. Look at.
Well, if they get through this without
What is it
any
with her
injuries,
run? Is it?
without kicking each other. I don't
Look
know
at
what
her
kind of run
pants.
that is.
It's
I don't know
adorable.
what kind of gait that is. It's some kind of different gait.
Whoop.
See what I tell you?
You needed that run, didn't you, Allie?
What you do, purring?
Hi, Allie.
Her nostrils are they even look good with winter coat.